Hello, everyone, and welcome to JCP&L's Prescriptive and Custom Program Overview presentation. My name is Tiffany Lewis, and I am the Outreach Account Manager. I'm delighted to provide you with an overview today to help JCP&L commercial and industrial customers and contractors save money, save energy, and have a positive impact on the environment. As an Outreach Account Manager, my job is to provide you, the customers and contractors, with the support you need to navigate this program and ensure that you have the tools and knowledge to successfully complete an application. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me directly if you have any questions. For today's agenda, I will begin by discussing the eligibility requirements and provide a program overview for JCP&L's Prescriptive and Custom Energy Efficiency Program. I will then describe the process from application to incentive and discuss the potential inspections you might encounter during the life of the project. This program is available to all commercial utility ratepayers within the JCP&L First Energy Service territory throughout the state of New Jersey. To verify eligibility, the first step will be to examine the section of the customer's utility bill entitled Charges from JCP&L to ensure that the customer is on a commercial rate class. Other rate classes, including residential service, residential time of use demand, and residential time of energy, will not be eligible for the prescriptive and custom program. For all custom projects, submission for pre-approval is required before the custom equipment is purchased. For all prescriptive projects, pre-approval is encouraged but not required. A look-back period is available for equipment that didn't receive pre-approval. This can be applied for no later than 180 days after project completion, which is defined as equipment being installed and fully operational. The prescriptive pathway is for simple electric energy efficiency measures that most commercial and industrial facilities, including small businesses, can easily replace. Through this pathway, you will receive a fixed one-for-one incentive. There are many types of prescriptive energy efficient measures that are eligible to receive a fixed incentive through this program. Some examples of high efficiency electric equipment include refrigeration, interior and exterior lighting, lighting controls, electric HVAC systems, commercial kitchen equipment, office equipment like Energy Star monitors and computers, variable frequency drive fans, ground source heat pumps, and more. The custom pathway is for electric energy efficiency measures that are more complex in nature or non-standard in design. Some examples include custom lighting, HVAC chillers, compressed air, large variable frequency drives, and data center equipment servers. Also, through the custom pathway, you may consider other measures that improve the building shell or mechanical components of the building, or insulation, glazing, as well as emerging technologies. Through the custom pathway, we help customers develop tailored projects that best meet their unique facility and organizational goals. Custom projects are typically multi-measure or optimization solutions for which customers earn performance-based incentives using dollars per kilowatt hour. Pre-approval is required for all incentives before equipment is purchased or installed, and incentives are calculated based on how much you'll save in kilowatt hours and installed costs. For measures that provide both electric and gas energy savings, otherwise known as dual fuel technologies, this custom program will also consider incentives for those energy efficient measures. Custom incentives are available through two pathways: custom equipment and custom building improvements. The custom equipment improvements path will be for projects that include building optimization, compressed air systems, custom lighting projects, HVAC chillers, process improvements, as well as improvements to your data center equipment and servers, in addition to any emerging technologies. The custom building improvements path will be for improvements to the building shell or improvements to the existing electrical and electric mechanical components to higher efficiency components and the installation of building energy management systems. Required for both of these custom paths is that the energy modeling and calculations are available to determine what the incentive will be. Please review our incentive guide to learn more, and if you're unsure if your project is eligible for custom equipment or custom building incentives, please contact us before applying. Let's discuss the steps to get from application to incentive. The first step is pre-approval. As mentioned, pre-approval is required for all custom projects, but highly encouraged for prescriptive projects to ensure the equipment being purchased is eligible for an incentive. We suggest that every project that is submitted go through pre-approval unless it's eligible for the prescriptive pathways 180-day look-back. All projects are subject to pre-inspection prior to approval. And any deficiencies will be addressed every 5 business days until resolved. Only when the deficiencies are resolved will approval be issued to allow installation to begin. The project must be completed within 90 calendar days of approval through the prescriptive path. Completed means installed and operational. For previously completed projects, eligible for 180-day lookbacks, once the application is approved, the applicant will have 15 days to submit any outstanding items for payment. There is potential for post-installation inspections at this stage. If the project is not completed within 90 calendar days, the customer will be contacted within 5 business days. Once the project is completed, you can submit the final documentation for payment to be issued. The customer can assign payment to the entity of their choice. There are 2 potential inspections a project may encounter within the process timeline. The first is the pre-inspection. This inspection verifies that the new equipment is not installed prior to application approval and serves to verify baseline conditions. After approval and installation, the project may be subject to a post-inspection to verify that the project is complete and the approved measures are installed and operational. All projects are subject to pre- and post-inspections at random. In instances where a project requires an extension or cancellation, requests must be sent via email to the assigned project reviewer. All extensions will be subject to JCP&L approval. The online applications for this and other JCP&L programs can be found on the EnergySaveNJ.com website. This website includes information and resources for trade allies. Once a trade ally signs up, a contractor can then enter new applications and check the status of submitted applications through our online portal. This concludes the presentation. Thank you for watching the overview of JCP&L's Prescriptive and Custom Energy Efficiency Program. Again, my name is Tiffany Lewis, and I am the Outreach Account Manager. Please feel free to reach out to me directly via the contact information on the screen. And the Outreach Manager is John Sousa. Please feel free to contact him for support as well. Thank you for your time today.